The Gemara in Masechet Shabbat says that before HaKadosh Baruch Hu commanded Am Yisrael to observe Shabbat, he spoke to Moshe Rabbeinu, and he told Moshe Rabbeinu, Moshe, I have a very big gift, a very big treasure in my treasure chest. The name of it is Shabbat. Go and tell Am Yisrael that I'm going to give it to them. And from there the Gemara says, if one plans to give his fellow a gift, he needs to let him know before he gives it to him. As we learn from the traits of HaKadosh Baruch Hu, where before he gave us this great gift of Shabbat, he let us know. Why? Because the moment that you let somebody know that you're going to give them a gift, if it's a really significant gift especially, they now have to prepare for it. You're going to give them this big gift. Maybe I have to fix the house. Maybe I have to change things. I have to get myself ready to accept it, to handle it. You don't just show up with the biggest gift in the world and say, oh, here you go. That not only leaves your friend unprepared and really dumbfounded of what to do, but also minimizes the value of the gift. So HaKadosh Baruch Hu prepared us for this great gift. Just like he prepared our forefather Avraham in the same exact way.